everybody, I'm Joe from My Lightroom is a Mess, and this is Lightroom Lite, where we explore one feature of Lightroom Classic to make your workflow better and easier. Today we are looking at the simplest, the easiest way to slim down a portrait in Lightroom Classic. No other prelude necessary, let's jump right into Lightroom. So we have a portrait, and we want to slim down the portrait. It's already shot. We don't have the ability to do any clever shooting techniques in order to slim down the portrait. We just have editing, and we're going to do this in a very fast, simple method. We're going to come to our Develop module, and we're going to open up the Transform tool right here. And with the Transform tool open, we're going to come to Aspect and just slide it a little bit to the right. We're going to come to about that much. So just to see, this is before, after, before, after. Now, when we do this, we are stretching the image, and we're going to get this dead space on the side here, so we just need to trim that out. Easy to do. Press R on the keyboard to open up the Crop and Rotate section, and we're just going to move this down until we trim that out. Hit Enter or Return. And there we have it. We have our before and our after. It's a small little thing, but it makes all the difference in the world. Anyway, if you want to master Lightroom from beginning to end and understand all of the facets of how we use it and work with it as our daily photo editing driver, well, I have an 8-hour course on Udemy. I'll put links to it in the description, of course, but it covers everything you need to know to become incredibly proficient with Lightroom Classic. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.